The TOOLTOP 3D Image Infrared Thermal Imager is an advanced diagnostic tool designed for professionals working with PCB and mobile phone circuit boards. With a 256 by 192 high-definition IR sensor, it allows precise detection of abnormal heat, enabling users to quickly identify faulty components, short circuits, and subtle temperature anomalies. Designed for both PC and mobile use, this thermal camera supports Windows 10 and above, as well as Android systems. Its upgraded stand lets you securely place your smartphone for a flexible and hands-free inspection experience, making detailed analysis easier and more efficient. One of its standout features is the intuitive 3D imaging capability. This function allows you to visualize temperature differences in a more immersive way, which is especially useful when working with delicate components and small current changes on circuit boards. To enhance precision, the TOOLTOP Imager comes with a 30mm high-definition macro lens. This lens magnifies local details, letting you clearly observe components or soldering pins as small as 0.3mm. Whether you're repairing mainboards or analyzing micro defects, the enhanced detail offers unmatched clarity. The included software adds even more value. With 5 color palettes, the ability to take photos and videos, and features like dual board comparison mode, it becomes a powerful tool for identifying faults. Built-in tutorials help beginners get started quickly, while professionals can benefit from the in-depth features and accurate measurements. The device has a wide temperature measurement range from -20°C to +600°C and supports a close-up working distance of just 3 to 15 centimeters. It connects via USB Type-C and is compact and lightweight, weighing just 660 grams.